Alrighty, gang, good morning. How's everybody doing this fine morning? I can notice that there's barely a lag, guys, so you shouldn't have a problem keeping with up me. Alright, there's basically what you'd call zero lag, ultra low latency, everybody's sharp and ready. Arnold, what's good? Come on, if y'all are ready, put a thumbs up in the chat, say you're ready. We're gonna absolutely start this week to an absolute banger. That's it, no slacking this week. We're going all out. No slackers. Literally zero slackers in this community. Alright, basically zero slackers in our community. Good morning, Kevin, Arnold, everyone. Hey, what's up in the chat? If you guys are just now joining in, hey, what's up? Let's get this day to an absolute banger. No excuses, we're going all out today. It's a beautiful Monday morning, so yeah. It's a beautiful morning. Analysis on gold. Yep, we're just looking at it. We're going to look at it from the higher time frame. Remember, this is almost the end of the month. Forex technical analysis. We'll do it in time, mate. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. We don't do demands out here. Patience pays. Put in your request and wait. Alright. Alright, so this week, these are the pairs we're focusing on, guys. Everything that is marked in red. Philip, the weekend was fantastic. Philip, how was yours? How was your weekend? Good morning, Fabio. How are you? I take that as a good.
Yeah.
Did you take any trades for the morning yet?
No.
Fantastic. Great, got time to spend with family. That's the best. Family time. Nothing will ever match family time. Let's just look at this. Alright, so there you go, guys. Those are the pairs we're focusing on for this week. Alright, so we have our monthly support at 1705, 1700. Key level 1700, so yeah. Let's go over to the weekly. This is what I'm gonna personally look at. There you go, key level 1750. So I can see price reaching back into 1750 before continuing down. I can definitely see that. Alright, let's look at the daily. Alright, so now that's the daily support, right? So now let's look at the lower time frames. On the daily time frame, is there a level we can pull back up to? Now we're going to the 4-hour time frame. Is there a good supply that we can find? So we have a supply at key level 135. We have key level of demand down there. So last Fed speaker indicated that they still be hawkish on USD. This fundamental making USD strong. They also indicated that they know that recession is coming, but they are focusing on the inflation. Interesting. Good morning, Mario. Good morning, everybody. As you guys come in, can you smash that like button? Let's get this morning's show to an absolute banger. Alright, so we are at this daily / weekly resistance. September is right around the corner, guys. Alright, so let's hold this right over here. September is right around the corner. So if we are to pull back now, we have 2-3 zones that we could look at. For me, I'm not convinced because the 4-hour has too many zones in here. So what I'm gonna do is, let's go to gold. Alright. And look at the daily zones. So let's look at this. I think we marked this if I'm not mistaken. Let's just compare. Daily zone above this level. This is daily / weekly. Alright. Alright, so this is our daily zone of rejection right over here. I'm not sure what the levels are. I think 1750 maybe. Alright, there you go. 1750 to 1745 or 40. We go to the 12-hour time frame. Now we start trying to find confluence zones. So this is a pretty decent zone with support turn resistance, right? Resistance turn support. This is our demand zone, one of our demand zone. So let's see what we can pair it up to. 1730. Alright, 1730 to around 1735. There you go, 1730 to around 1735 is the demand zone. Sorry, supply zone, supply. Perfect, 1730 to 1735, go lines with 6-hour. Now co-lines with the 4-hour. Beautiful. So we could expect a retest of 1730, 1735 zone, which we've marked one level. So there you go. As we go down the time frame, we see we can pull back to this level and expect continuation. Right, so we're looking at pulling back to this and then expect a continuation. I think that's what I personally will be looking at, because as you all noticed, right, price doesn't fall vertical. Right, unless we have like some form of news of some sort. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's see. Alright, let's go chat. 1 minute. Alright, that's what I'm personally looking at on gold. A pullback before a continuation to the downside. Okay, so gbpjpy, we closed above this level. PR time frame. Once we break that high, we could continue, guys. There is a potential at 960 when we break 960 to continue up on gbpjpy. Yeah. So as you see, right over here, the 3 hour has never closed above this level, right? But now it has closed above this level for the first time with the rejections from the downside. So there is potential for us to break and continue pushing up. So what you could do is either be cautious and wait for the 4 hour to close, or you could wait for maybe the 2 hour closure above this resistance. Like this form of resistance. So that's around 950 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 950. So if y'all want that double confirmation, y'all can wait for the closure above 950. You can wait for, like, you know, that kind of action. So yeah, so you can wait for something like this and expect a continuation, because as you know, this is demand / supply zone right over here. We got some clean traffic, so a nice closure above this level would be good. Yeah, one nice clean candle is there to come and complete it. We could come up to 162. 162 key psychological level is right over there, so we need to be cautious of that. And don't forget the infamous GBP bank holiday. So Gypsy, you must be off today, right? If it's a bank holiday.
I am.
Yeah, it's a complete holiday for you all today.
Nope.
Huh?
No holiday. No holiday.
You are working on a bank holiday.
Sucks, yeah.
Alright, the grand old stuff for you then.
Yeah, they haven't given us a holiday because we have Wednesday as a holiday.
Oh, so I don't know, and I don't understand how they classify each. One time they take UK bank holiday, one time they take Indian holiday. Chaos. Morning, Money Talks. What's good? How you guys doing? How's everyone doing? Okay. So, logically, we need a nice little closure above here. If we break above maybe 162, let's call it flat 162, and we can go ahead. That's like A. But this is a really good demand zone, so I really see us retesting this before continuing up, so that'll be fantastic. But also I'm not sure if we could expect as much volume as we'd like. Okay, GBP is kind of strong, Euro is kind of strong. Oh, Euro is really strong, so let's check EJ. Oh, okay, now I see. No bottom wick also. Interesting. What do you guys think about market opening with barely any bottom wicks today? It's kind of weird that the market opened with such few bottom wicks. Let's see, shorting USD CAD. Interesting. USD CAD. Alright, gotta take a look at that. It's GBP late summer bank holiday, not expecting much volume till NY. Yeah.
Let me tell you, if anyone is shorting US dollar, they have a big balls.
Yeah. I mean, guys, you should understand that the US dollar is very strong right now. It's not something to play with. But be cautious. The warning has been given. Be cautious. DXY is pumping. Of course, DXY is going to continue pumping. But I wonder how long can US keep this up? This entire narrative. How long are they going to keep this narrative up? Have a stop loss.
120.
Mm-hmm.
120.
Interesting.
Target to the XY.
I feel this week may set up next week, which is going to be really good. There is no reason for DXY to jump so much. They're pumping the markets here. They're absolutely pumping it. So until they get exposed, until US dollar gets exposed, they're going to continue pumping.
No, not manipulated.
Pardon?
It's normal thing. The signs was there 1 year ago already.
Right now they are pumping the markets. They are not being exposed for the amount of recession and scams they're going ahead with. That's why if you look at the breakdown on capitalistic ideologies and markets, right? Even Tesla and everything should be exposed because their company valuations are way off from what they are actually worth, including debt and everything, right? And actual sales and turnover. So their expenses are always much bigger than what they actually have. So that's why even with Tesla and gang, those guys, you look at them.
You know the fundamental traders. announced on 1 year ago that this is gonna to happen. So it's logical. It's logical to the dollar increase the value.
But what is logical in the dollar's increase in value? What is valuable in United States of America right now for it to increase in value?
Everyone is holding dollar in the right moment.
No, but what is logical value in the dollar at the given moment?
You have things to contain value, right?
Yeah, so that's
in this moment, everyone is using the dollar to maintain his value.
So
because
right now the dollar, US oil,
when they start to increase the rates, everyone start to sell the stock, sell the gold, sell everything, and change to dollar.
Oh, that's because they just exited most of their positions, and now with the dollar going pumping for absolutely no reason, it's a manipulative move exactly. Because right now there is no value in the United States of America as of now to any form of market. So that's why if you watch Capital Hungry's breakdown and stuff like that, you will understand more about how manipulative this move is to the big bank. There's big time manipulation going on in the market. They've stopped pumping oil in the US, they've stopped so much of stuff. So that's why they're gonna manipulate as much as possible in order to reduce the amount it drops. So they wanna pump it as much as possible. So when it drops, it's gonna drop to not so. Let's check Euro USD. Euro USD is at a nice strong demand right now. And Euro is partially strong right now. Gamer Zone can I buy? Does it follow your plan, Gamer Zone? Is this your strategy to buy right over here? Because if it is your strategy, then you should go ahead and buy right over here. Let's see when you pull back up here how it's gonna look. Right now it's dangerous to buy right over there, so be careful. area. Let's see what happens in this key area, if we break up or if we break down. Let's see. Be patient, guys. Be patient, lads. Are there any opportunities? So there's potential.
And the next stage in the plan probably gonna be the crash of the housing market.
Yeah, real estate.
Yeah, the real estate market. The next stage of the plan.
Phase 2. Moving on to phase 2.
Yeah, the phase 2. The phase 2. It's gonna be the the crash of the retail,
real estate market.
The real estate. Yeah.
So can GJ break 162 or not to give us a nice little buy? With all-time high debt, inflation at the peak, the fake stimulus will not hold dollar value for long. Yep. Check out UJ.
Hold dollar value for long. What is for long time for you?
UJ is at a high right now. At 39 flat, 139 flat.
The dollar gonna hit 120 in the UXY. Or close to that.
Yeah, somewhere around that area. Okay, let's see. UJ just pushed up like crazy. UJ just went full send. Let's see. Now with the market open, let's check if we got some support.
When the dollar unlock the 120 is gonna dump hard and start a liquidity crisis. So
138. Alright, there you go, 138. Yeah, I could see price pulling back to 138 before going.
and everyone is telling the dollar is don't have value, but the dollar is the only coin that have value because the European banks, the Japanese banks, hold most of their value in dollar.
Yeah.
60% of the euro is in dollar.
But I don't think for long, Fabio. I don't see that as a long-term play.
So this is why but it's gonna change. Russia already have the Russian ruble, right?
Yeah, and the Russian ruble is actually pretty strong.
In gold, right? China also have want to be in gold.
Yeah.
So start to change.
We are at a high over here. And euro is strong. Sketchy, sketchy. So we're still stuck within here. I think EJ and GJ could reject off at this level. Let's see. If we go above this, it's good.
Already past the double top.
30 pips.
If you put the DXY in the weekly,
Mm-hmm.
the double top already happened, and you don't see any then.
No, it's like before it falls next, it will retest the price it wants to drop from. I think that's what he meant. Alright. Alright, so I like this level. Let's see what we do here. Eesh. Did the okay, there's still half an hour to market open. GJ buy break 1 hour high. Let's see. The thing is, like, look at the level we're at and the reactions we're getting. So right now, if you look at the 30-minute, we did create a bottom wick, which is dangerous. But if we have enough volume, we could continue pushing. With the GBP bank holiday, it's a little sketchy. Possible. Never gonna say it's not possible, but it's sketchy. I think we could bounce over 162 if we get a good push. EJ has a bottleneck, so EJ has potential to continue. gbpjpy. That's what, you know, so right now JPY pairs are at a resistance zone that we could break and push up really well from, or we break, or we reject and come down pretty strong on. EJ seems to be very strong today. Oh, GJ 5-minute closed up there. Fantastic. So that means we could have a small pullback and then a continuation. But the 5-minute could just be a fake out also. Let's see, lads. Dun, 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 dun. Back into the zone. I'd say be careful of EU. It has a potential to just come up here, retest this zone and continue down. Because it's so bearish right now, right? We broke this, whatever you call this, this small bullish market structure. So we could come back up to get this to get more sellers into the market and continue back down. So that's why I'd be careful with EU. EU is a little shady to play with. DJ looks like it wants to continue up. So is it just me or Euro super strong right now? At least fundamental indicator shows that Euro is really strong right now over JPY and everything. GJ faking out on the 5-minute time frame. Alright, 30-minute just made a bottom wick, which is good. Let's see if the 45-minute candle is going to close bearish or bullish. Yeah. Can we close this 30-minute above 161,950? I think at the close of this 15-minute, there could be some good buys, guys. Because this is gonna be a break and a continuation, in my opinion. Let's see if we can slowly start closing above. See, this 3-minute candle is an engulfing 3-minute candle, showing that it wants to break above. We just need to wait for this 1 minute to close, and then we can get a better idea at what price is actually trying to do. What is gold spot doing? Gold is trying to pull back up. EJ trying to pull up. GJ rejecting. So So we have quite a few rejections from the upside over here. So our zone is actually all the way from this 955 all the way down here to 830.
I see Euro USD and the gold stocks go up until the New York session.
Yeah.
Then down we go again.
Yep, grab liquidity and dump. So if you look at this, 5 minute could have been a fake out. Let's see what happens. 15 minute, what's the plan and what's the play? This 15 minute candle wants to move up. Let's see. This is looking good. Let's see. 1 minute left for this 15 minute candle to close. Mr. Producer. He makes the best shows. Okay, due to bank holiday, which pairs will be less volatile? Mostly we're looking at GBP pairs, right? So yeah. GBP bank holiday. But I think NY session will push. NY session has the potential to push. Alright, 15 minute candle on GJ closing. Bullish. Can we close strong bullish? Alright.
It's not bad.
That was a pretty good close in my opinion. Let's wait for this bottom wick and then we'll take it off the rim. 45 minute candle bottom wick. Let's wait for that. That closed very well. 2 rejections from the downside. That's basically this demand level right over here. So we wait for a small minor bottom wick and then we get ready to fly.
Your entry point is what, 965?
Yeah, I think 985. I wanted to just break those highs for the day. And then alright.
No bottom wick. You have a weekly with a little wick.
A very tiny one. Let's see if it's at 162. Interesting. The thing is, it has potential to push nicely, at least up to 162, 33 or 100 at least. Yeah, that's technically the problem with it. It has the potential to push up before actually giving us a legitimate trade. Mr. Producer, he makes the best shows. Oh, EJ also is pulling up.
Come on, GJ,
Seriously. But it's at key level 162. So be cautious. Let it rip. You know, we could have a nice retest and then a continuation. But if you have stops below this level, then it's alright. But we finally hit the key psychological level 162. I got triggered at break even. I'll give it a second chance later. So let's see how we react to this zone now. You see the reaction from key level 162? That's why I brought my stops to break even fast. GJ looking like doo-doo. Yeah, GJ's cringy, bro. Alright, let's see our reactions off of this zone. 950. That's a good closure. So that's like kind of like a break in a retest. Let's see if we can get the continuation. If we fail to break 162 again, then you guys know the vibe. You shouldn't be in it. Now you're just expecting this to just continue breaking the high. If we fail to continue up with volume, then you guys definitely know the vibe.
We're gonna have volume into 10 minutes.
Yep. 162 key psychological level. So be careful, guys.
So not bad, not bad at all.
Yeah.
We'll look to the 30-minute also. 30-minute candle seems beautiful.
That's looking good. So with that, you can write it up to complete this entire clean candle to your left, right over here.
Yeah. At least the first TP, right?
Yeah. But I think for me, first TP would just be like what 10 to 15 pips max. How much is that anyway? Yeah, that's about 10 to 15 pips anyway. So now look at this, okay? Now if are we gonna close that way? The last minute we close that way. See, now that becomes dangerous. Failure to close above 162 twice. That becomes a little dangerous. Let's see, 15-minute candle. Oh, 5. We need the 5 to close bullish over here. Bullish engulfing at least. So you saw what I meant by if we don't close above 162 for the second time? Because that means we're just grabbing liquidity from that area. So this 5-minute, if we close nice and engulfing, that would be really good. 1 minute left. Let this candle close nice and engulfing and we could smash that area. Just got on Steam. So right now I'm not in. I was in over here at 980, and then I got triggered at break even when we went up and came back down. Because I don't know. I'm really not testing my patience with this. Okay, but right at the key psychological level 162 left. So that's why we're just being cautious. In 5 minutes we're gonna have volume, so let's see what we do. Key level 162.
Seems good.
Yeah, it seems good. Yeah, and the 5-minute closing nice and strong. That's very good. That's good news for those who are GJ buyers. Because that's like a break and a retest. And now we could expect continuation. Perfect. It's just the 3-minute time frame isn't showing enough promise, but the higher time frames are showing promise, so that's fine.
Come on, give a trade to the people.
Give the people what they want.
People need to eat.
Thank you for the sub. We want trades, let's go. Exactly, let's see, let's break 162, come on. Come on, GJ.
Give a trade for the peasants.
Peasants.
Come on. This is gonna be fun.
Ooh, EJ is absolutely moving.
Yeah.
Scotty.
So GJ needs to move.
Yeah.
Don't make any sense not moving. No.
What's up, Scotty?
Good boys.
Hello, Scotty.
Is it a good morning, Scotty?
Yeah, woke up a bit late though, to be fair.
We'll spare you today, to be fair.
Thank you.
For me, guys, in order to get into this trade, for me, I'm really looking at it closing above 162. Other than that, I'm kind of skeptical on it. Yeah, I don't like it.
I'm having bad sleep last days.
You not?
Yeah.
Not during bulking season, Fabio.
Can't sleep, really.
Oh man, why though?
No.
Alright, London Open is upon us in 1 minute.
Come on, London. Push this.
Let's see if London has it in her. I don't think so, man. That 162 key psychological level, like I told you, the failure to close above it the second time we retested it was very bad. If we close above it, then we could expect a push. But 162 key psychological level, that's a little bit of a hard one to crack. 20 seconds, let's see what London does. Are we closing this 2-hour candle? Guys? Okay, I'm still on. I thought I got disconnected.
Let's go, boy.
Oh, that's the new candle?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not... That's just... That feels literally like just the top wick, honestly. If it goes up and breaks, well and good, but... I'm uncomfortable. Ooh.
He's flying.
It broke the highs. That's good. Now it should continue up. So we've broken key psychological level 162 at the moment. We're moving up to next supply zone.
Just fly, GG. Just fly.
Oh, GJ is moving. I like it.
People that is in the trade, congrats.
Yeah.
It seems so. Congrats.
Yeah, around 10 to 12 pips, easy.
First, no eye holding more than that. But I'm not closing in 10 pips.
Yeah. It should go up right at the top.
But that is me.
Go, Fabio, go.
Insane. Beautiful. That's it. For those who took that, that was beautiful. For me, that was a 15 pip banger. And 90% of my trade is closed.
Already?
Yeah, it's just that I don't like where GJ is headed right now. This could continue a far way, but I just don't like it. I don't find it appealing. EJ would have definitely been the one to look at. Any idea why the euro is strong, Fabio?
Nope.
It
For me, it's
happened
crap.
on Friday also. It happened. Strong euro. I don't know why.
It's strong versus the Japanese pairs, the Asian pairs. The rest is crap.
Alright. Yeah, against the dollar, it sucks, but yeah. look at the demand zone we drew. 22 pips.
But I think every coin is strong with versus the Asian pair, the Japanese yen. So
Yeah.
it's not even an achievement for euro.
Yeah.
It's not a one achievement.
Yeah. So guys, this week looking at the chart, looking at how it's going, let's see if EU will go up further. Eh? Yeah, EU could go up further. That'll be interesting. So there you go. GJ is coming back down. I'm gonna get stopped out at break even anytime now. Let's see if it'll stop me. Yep, and I'm out. You see what I mean, Fabio? I just didn't like the way this happened. This was a nice little volume move, but I'm not feeling that move right now from this level, because this is more like almost like a supply area, you know. If it goes up, well and good, but for me, it made me very uncomfortable. So let's see how we react to this zone now, because this is the next key resistance on GJ. That's the 2-hour resistance right over here, which is dangerous because we've had supply in this area previously. We have no 2-hour bottom wick, so you guys can kind of see like what is framing up on GJ. On EJ, we're coming up into a daily demand zone, which was a previous supply zone also. So when we look at it on the daily time frame, we have 138 flat to around 138 150. Right, so do you guys want to risk it in here? No, right? No one wants to risk it in here. So that's why these are my levels. So once we break above these ones, you can see we have clear running free traffic towards the left. Let's see. EJ is right at that resistance, so I'm not touching it. GJ and everything, I don't like GJ right now. I don't like GJ right now, so we're gonna steer clear of that. Yeah, I'm gonna just be cautious. I don't like these levels. This is like pretty high up in the range, right? This is like the highest of the range since August, the beginning of August. So right now we're kind of like flipping this monthly candle on the last day. Oh wait, we've already flipped the candle, but yeah, for me it's just a little weird, so I'm not gonna be taking this. We're at this daily supply zone on EJ. The daily has no bottom wick. You know, this looks like very dangerous for EJ, to be honest. It looks more dangerous than appealing. I don't like it. I don't mind us breaking above this and turning it into a demand like it has before. But again, we need to be really cautious. At least I'm going to be very cautious with what we're doing right now. Easy 25 pips on EJ, that's beautiful, my friend. Yeah, I think EJ was a good buy. It's just then, why didn't I take EJ? I'm not even sure why I didn't take EJ. But this was a pretty decent buy. We could have taken it on the closure above here after this big rejection. That was a good buy on EJ. Yeah, for once London pushed really nicely in our favor. So that's good. Very nice. Since Asian session, markets have pushed 60 pips on GJ. 90 pips on EJ. Interesting. Okay, EU's in my shorting zone. So let's just wait on it. Be right back, lads. I think September is going to be a fantastic month for trading. Yep, Swapnil, agreed with you. They plan to increase interest rate in September between 50 to 75 basis points. Eurozone. Interesting. USD CAD. Let me check it out. USD CAD long. USD CAD long. I would have been long like previously, not right now, guys. I think Euro USD is better. All right, lads. If I wouldn't touch EU unless it touches 99,500. I think this zone itself, yeah, sells only. I think this zone itself with the zone itself, right, as previously seen before. So I'm just waiting to see what happens in this zone for me to be able to take a trade. With the rejection even below 162. Interesting. Okay, let's look at some other pairs. US 30 pulled back a bit and now okay, interesting. Oh, my bad guys, my bad Philip. Let's look at some other pairs now. GJ is interesting, but we are having a big rejection on GJ right now, which is understood because look at the 2-hour time frame. We have no bottom wick on the 2-hour time frame. We are in a supply zone right over there, and it looks interesting to continue back down, right? We're in this zone right over here on, yeah.
I think AJ is gonna dump.
AJ?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at it. Because all JPY pairs are at this high, right? Resistance.
Yeah.
So we have to be careful. Like, you don't want to be that one kid buying really high. So that's why let's be cautious.
I think also that AJ, for example,
yeah,
this move up, a little bit move up, is only a retracement for the last dump.
Yeah. AJ, interesting, very interesting. So this is the supply zone for AJ, the one we're at right now. Last time we rejected off this level and we dumped 200 pips.
200 pips?
2 freaking 100 pips. So I want to see AJ break this structure, and I think we're gonna dump hard. So we're right at this zone, right? So now let's look at the lower time frame structure and see if we can get anything on this lower time frame structure. All right. I like it. I think once this 30-minute closes, we can short AJ. But I would prefer the closure, break of structure and then closure. So guys, to give you an idea of what I normally look at is, look at this. We have a nice little break of structure at a key level. We retest with the engulfing candle, and that's where I get it. All right. Breakup structure, confirmation, continuation. That is the way I like to trade. Alright, does that make sense to you guys?
Yeah.
Fabio?
Yes.
Yeah. Also, Fabio, Top G is now on Rumble. They absolutely blew Rumble up. Let's wait for JPY pairs to either completely retrace and reject, or yeah, let's see what happens now. So on the weekly time frame on gold, yeah, we don't have a topic. Oh, we do actually have a topic. A small little midget wick. The 4 are closed down there. Raja Banks is back. Let's go, okay, beautiful. Yep, he is back. But I wonder what happened, like. Why did they randomly ban him?
It's not random.
So they knew exactly what they were doing.
Yeah, was a group of people that report them probably.
Yeah. Like what happened to Mr. Savage.
Yeah.
No one knows what Raja did.
Probably a fan club from other streamer.
Yeah.
Probably.
You mean haters?
Yeah.
But in this community, there are way too many haters. Alright. Euro AUD, guys, look at Euro AUD. Do you think it's finally time for Euro AUD to start an uptrend? Or do you think the monthly has got to come down to 1.40500? What do you guys think? I think maybe we have a little bit of a further dump on Euro AUD before we start off. Something like this. Oh. What do you guys think? Should dump more? Yep. That's what I personally think. So let's look at this. Saltito, welcome back, mate. It's been a minute. I think the euro can move up to euro AUD can move up to here before we start the decline.
Time to short GJ?
Time to. I think we may get an opportunity, but I think the better setup is what you called out, Fabio, AJ.
AJ, yeah.
That is the money
The,
setup.
the 30 close engulfing, right?
Yeah, and it closed with rejection from the upside.
Exactly.
So that means your stops are basically safe at 195 300.
It's like 10 pips or something.
18.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
It's alright. Let's just. So we're just gonna wait for. Remember what I showed you?
Yes.
Just wait for that change. And then everything should be good. So I think we should be able to break up below this level. Retest 95, 100 and then drop down to the lowest. Yeah, we could target this low first. 94, 700, 600. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. What do you guys think? Already above that. Let's see where EA is going to grab liquidity and drop. Come on, AJ, give us those confirmations. GJ still didn't make the bottom break, which is really annoying at this point. PHF JPY is basically at a high. This is like a very important high. Okay, CHF JPY, do you see what I'm looking at over here too?
Yes.
And plus, we are selling high. That's what I like about it, right? Sell high and hold it.
No, sell low, buy high.
This is not DXY.
Yeah. You need to buy high. That is the key for any investment. At least the specialists on TikTok say that. You need to believe in it.
It's an art.
Yes.
So let's see.
When you see green candles, buy. When you see red candles, sell.
I'm not even kidding. In my initial years of trading, I used to do that. When I didn't really understand how to trade.
Is the key of the trading market. The red candles, sell.
Emotion trading. I've done that like crazy, guys, when I was in my initial days of trading. Red candle. Ooh. Run. NAS 100 fell hard, eh? I see a pullback, lads, on NAS 100, US 30 and everything. Alright, lads, so I've given you all the trading ideas. Okay. So focus on those trading ideas, wait and watch for it. For me, I personally don't see the need to just sit around and waste time. I'm gonna go finish off some work. You guys also finish off some work, keep grinding, don't stop. You guys know the vibe. Banger squad, we guys can be around. And looking at more pairs, so we can break down a few more pairs. CHF, JPY, GJ, EJ, all of them are at a very interesting level.
Yeah.
EJ too, actually. So let's see what's gonna happen. But YouTube, I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys know the vibe. So goodbye, YouTube. Don't over risk, don't over trade. You guys know the vibe. you